What did I see? My PC doesn't have Hibernate button. So how do I hibernate my PC? Ouch, I'm very tired. Guys, I'm stopping here. I'm hibernating my PC so that we will continue next time. Let me hibernate my PC. We should meet until next time. What did I see? My PC doesn't have Hibernate button. What is happening right here? So how do I hibernate my PC? I don't want to put my PC on sleep because I don't want lost, because my battery will still work when my PC is on sleep, and when I shut it down I will lose all my works. All my work will be closed, so that the only thing I have to hibernate my PC, and I don't have a hibernate button here. I don't want to put it on sleep, it will consume power, so I don't want to shut it down. It will close all current work I am doing, and I don't mean to restart it. So the only thing is I want to hibernate it. How do I do it? Guys, follow me. I will show you a simple step. I will show you a simple trick on how to hibernate your PC without losing your current work. If you could see, I have often some works like this. I have some often current work on my PC. Look at it. Look at it. Look at some windows are open, and I'm currently working on my PC, and I'm very tired for now. I want to continue later, so that I want to take a break. How to get rid of this hibernating button? So follow me. Follow me. I will show you these simple tricks. The first thing to do is to press on Windows key plus R on your keyboard. This dialog box, this box will automatically prompt you this window, this dialog. The next thing to do is to write this CMD and press on enter on your keyboard. This window will automatically open for you on your PC. Wow, what next? The next thing is to write this simple instruction: shutdown/H on your PC. This is very simple as ABC. When you are done, hit on enter on your keyboard. Your PC will automatically hibernate itself. I'm not hitting the enter because I just want to demonstrate on how to hibernate your PC. So I'm not pressing the enter on my keyboard, because I am just showing you how to hibernate your PC without losing your jobs. This is how to get rid of hibernating button. Do you find this video helpful? Don't forget to subscribe to SMT Digitals, so that you will get notified whenever we upload a tech videos like this. You will be among the first people to get notification when we upload a new video like this. Don't forget, share it to your loved ones so that you will help them solve their problems. Happy watching. Until next time, see you. Bye bye.